Hi, my name is Ngozi and I'm a successful poultry farmer.
I have practiced poultry farming in Nigeria for a number of years now. Poultry farming still remains one of the very lucrative businesses you can do in Nigeria. But unfortunately, there are not a lot of practical advice out there to help you make the right decision. And that is exactly where I step in. To help individuals that have indicated interest in poultry farming make the right decision and have a profitable poultry farm experience.
To stay updated with happenings in poultry in Nigeria, kindly follow my page.